Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail like this. First, open PS Touch. Add a blank project. Set the values to 1920 by 1080. Add the screenshot. And adjust it so that the gun remains in the center. After that, go under the pencil icon and select the Show Pointer option, then select the Polygon Selection tool from the Tools section. Now, start tracing the gun. Now, separate the gun layer from the main layer. Do the same process for the hand. Remove the extra part from the separated layers. Here I'm making a duplicate of both the gun and hand layer just in case if anything goes wrong. Now save and export this image as PNG. Open PicsArt. Import the photo that you exported from PS Touch. Add the filters that make your image more appealing. Open PS Touch and add the images from PicsArt. Select the pixels of the gun layer that you extracted from the main layer and use it to separate the gun layer from the filtered image. After that, select the main layer from which you extracted the gun layer. Go into FX and add directional blur to it. Set the angle to 0 and the blur between 30 to 40. This part is optional. The purpose of this layer was to add a glow effect behind the gun layer, which I end up removing anyways. What I'm doing here is that I'm adding a glow behind the gun layer so that it pops out. Save the project. Open Pixel Lab. Create the text that you want. The font link is in the description down below. Open PS Touch. Add the font layer and adjust it. Now put the font layer behind the gun layer. Select its pixels and add a new layer and put it above the gun layer. Then go under Extras section and select the Fill and Stroke option. Set the color to the color of the text and width value to 1. Add drop shadow to the text layer below the gun layer. Set the angle to 0 and value between 50 to 58. Add a new layer, select the Paint tool, and set the color to the color of the gun. Also adjust the size of brush as you like, and then start painting the gun. Now set the blend mode of the layer to linear dodge, and then give it a Gaussian blur. The value should be around 80 to 85 or 90 for a perfect glow effect. After that, adjust the level of colors of the layer. Adjust the opacity of the layer so that the text is more visible. Now for the last part, open Pixel Lab and add a finishing touch to your thumbnail and you're good to go.